Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to add multiple portfolios in the CoinGecko app. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the CoinGecko application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to CoinGecko if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So in the bottom left corner, we have the market, we have the portfolio, the search, we have the explore, and in the bottom right corner, we have more where you can check out everything about the coins. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and add multiple portfolios in the CoinGecko app. So it is pretty simple and you just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in just no time. So basically, step 1 is to log into your CoinGecko account or create it, as I already told you. Step 2 is to create a new portfolio. Head over to your main portfolio to create a new portfolio by clicking on the drop-down menu. Step 3 is to start adding crypto assets to track. So basically you have all these crypto here, or you can go to the search bar and search for any of the coins. And then step 4 is start tracking your holdings, buy, sell, or transfer the coins on the here, and they will be in your portfolio. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I told you, I hope that you enjoyed the video, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, guys, bye.